Hello everyone. So today we are solving a UCEED question. So this is a MSQ type question in which we need to identify the figures that are correct according to the given condition. So let's start first with reading the question. The question says which of the option is our rotations of the given figure. So this is the given figure and these are 4 different options, and we need to identify if this figure is rotated, which of the options might be forming the similar type of figure. So the best way to solve any of these questions is an elimination strategy, in which we'll see which of the figures can be eliminated first, and then we'll find out the correct options. Okay, so in elimination strategy we need to say that either we can say take all the lines together or any set of lines, or the another best way is to take the lines individually. Okay, so let's start first with seeing the simpler line, that is this slanting line. So we need to see which all figures have this slanting line first. So this is one line, straight line, another straight line in figure B, one straight line in figure C, and one straight line in figure D. Now from the straight line, so let us also draw this, whatever we are taking, let us draw that lines over here. So from the straight line we know that there is a curved line where both the curves are, one curve is going inside and one curve is going outside. So we are taking this side as out, so this side as out and this side as in. Okay, so from the straight line, one line is going outside and one line going inside. Another thing, from the straight line, if we see over here, one line is going inside, other line is going outside, but over here this intimidation when turned around, that is just a full turn, this line should be going outside, this line should be coming like this, but it is going inside. So we can eliminate figure B, so we'll eliminate it. In figure C, if we see again, so there is one straight line, and then for this one straight line there is in the curved line. So over here, yes, figure C is also correct somewhat, but over here if we see, there shouldn't be any gap, right? So we'll now check the gap. One more thing, we'll also check the curves. So if we see in the original figure, this is curved on this line, but in figure C this curve is happening after the line, so definitely we can say we can eliminate figure C also. Now for figure D, so let's check figure D. So if this is a straight line, then we are seeing this curve line, right? So the curve is happening on the figure, and similarly in this one also the curve is happening on the figure. So we are keeping option A and C for A and D for now. So now let's go ahead and verify options A and D. So other than that, what does it says? We'll now take option A and D individually. So for option A, if we just take this straight line, we take this straight line like this somewhat, we'll just try to intimidate option A in reference to the given figure, and this is the curve line. So this is another curve line where the curve is on the line itself. Okay, and then there should be another curve line passing through the point on the line itself. So somewhat like this. Okay, somewhat like this, and rest we have one more line which is going towards inside but passing over here, so somewhat like this, right? And so if we see over here, this will form a similar figure. A will form a similar figure, but slight a bit tilt. So we are not looking on the tilt right now, so we can say option A is correct. Okay, option A is correct over here. For option D, we'll see now. So for option D, we can say that for option D, we were forming a straight line over here, and then this curve line. So one curve from outside, and the curve should be on the line, this should be noted. Then we have one curve line over here, so the curve lines come from the outside and goes from the inside on the straight line. And then we have one inside line. Okay, so now we'll just interpret the inside line also. So over here it should come something like this. Okay, so now I guess D is also forming a similar figure. So yes, this D is also correct. So we can say that A and D, these two are forming similar figures when rotated. So option A and D are correct. So that's all guys for this question. Thank you everyone. Like the videos, subscribe to the channel. Any questions you might comment in the comment section. Thank you everyone.